Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a digital marketing agency with a SEMrush detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your target market. Conduct thorough market research to determine the needs of potential clients. Create a business plan outlining your agency's vision, services offered, pricing structure, and growth. Register your digital marketing agency as a legal business entity. Set up a professional website to serve as your agency's online presence. Select the right SEMrush subscription plan that aligns with your budget and service offerings. Familiarize yourself with SEMrush's features, including keyword research, site audits, and competitor analysis. Use the Keyword Magic tool to generate a list of relevant keywords for your clients' industries. Analyze competitors by using the Domain Overview tool to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Perform a comprehensive site audit for your clients using the SEMrush Site Audit tool. Develop SEO strategies based on the audit findings to improve clients' website performance. Leverage the Backlink Analytics feature to analyze your clients' backlink profiles and identify opportunities for improvement. Create content marketing strategies by utilizing the Topic Research tool to discover trending topics in your clients' industries. Utilize the Position Tracking tool to monitor the rankings of clients' keywords over time. Set up and manage pay-per-click campaigns using the PPC keyword tool for targeted advertising strategies. Implement social media marketing strategies using SEMrush's social media tools for effective scheduling and management. Track and report on metrics using SEMrush's analytics and reporting features to demonstrate ROI to your clients. Continuously optimize strategies based on data, ensuring that your clients' campaigns evolve with trends. Build strong relationships with your clients by maintaining open communication and providing regular updates on progress. Invest in ongoing education and training to stay current with industry trends and updates in SEMrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.